Hello, kindergarten, and welcome to our science subject with Teacher Angel. Today, we are going to talk about healthy foods. But before that, let me introduce to you the celebration of Nutrition Month. Are you familiar with Nutrition Month, kids? Do you know when we celebrate Nutrition Month? If not, teacher will teach you. We celebrate Nutrition Month to remind us about the importance of eating healthy foods. Why is it important to eat healthy foods? Because kids eating healthy foods will help us to be strong and healthy. And if we are healthy, we can do many things. You will have lots of energy to do many things. We celebrate Nutrition Month during the month of July. Our month is July. We are currently in the month of July. So we are celebrating the Nutrition Month, kids. Supposedly, we have our celebration tomorrow, but since our weather is not that good, we move our celebration next week. So by next week, kids, we were going to celebrate the Nutrition Month in school. Okay, let's start with our main topic. As you can see, kids, we have their plate, or that's what we call my plate, or the 5 food groups. The my plate, kids, it is our guide for choosing healthy food to eat. So these 5 food groups will help us what are the healthy foods that we can eat and what are the importance of this group. Let us talk about it. Okay, this is the plate. It is divided into 5 food groups. We have there the fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Let's talk about them one by one. Okay, this is the first part of the plate. This is the full plate, kids, and this part is the red part of a food plate, which represents the fruits. As you can see in the picture, there are different kinds of fruit. We have grapes, strawberries, watermelon, bananas, and apples. Okay? Kids, the fruits are good source of vitamins and minerals that help support our immune system. As I said before, our immune system is the one that helps us to fight the viruses or the germs so that we will not get easily sick. So if you eat fruits, kids, then you are helping your immune system to be strong. And if your immune system is strong, then it can fight against the viruses. Okay? That's why your parents want you to eat fruits. Okay? Because they are boosting your immune system. So if they ask you to eat fruits, then you have to follow. Next one is the vegetables group. Okay? The vegetable group is the green part of the food plate. As you can see there, its color green. It represents the vegetables. Just like the fruits, kids, vegetables are also good source of energy and vitamins, which helps us to have more energy to do many things. Okay, so you can see in the picture there are different kinds of vegetables there. Do you eat cabbage, carrots, broccolis? Those are kinds of vegetables. If you eat them, kids, then you are being healthy. Okay, it helps you to be strong and healthy. It gives you more energy and vitamins. Again, kids, the green part of the food plate represents the vegetables group. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay, this is the grains group. As you can see, it is the orange part of the food plate. It represents the grains. And kids, the whole grains help maintains good health. So aside from fruits and vegetables, we also have the grains, okay, to help us maintain our good health. What are the examples of grains, teacher? The rice that you eat, the corns that you eat, the oats that you eat, those are examples of grains. Okay? And again, kids, please remember that the orange part of the food plate is the grains group. Okay, the next group is the protein group. As you can see, we have there the meat, the fish, and the egg. Also an example or a good source of protein. Okay, it is the violet part of the food plate. This is color violet and it represents the protein. The protein kids are the building blocks of life. Okay, it helps our bones, our muscles to be strong and healthy. I know some of you loves to eat boiled egg and that is very good because egg is also a good source of proteins. Okay, and I know some of you also brings chicken on their snacks. Okay, that is a good source of protein also. Okay, please remember kids that the violet part of the food plate is protein groups. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. This is the last group in our my plate. Okay, this is the dairy group. As you can see, it is color blue. It is the small circle on the side of the plate. As you can see here, this is the whole plate and on the side, there is a small circle on it. And that represents the dairy group. The dairy helps keeps muscles, bones, nerves, teeth, skin, and vision healthy. When you say vision, kids, it's our eyesight. Okay po? If you eat dairies or dairy products, then you're helping yourself to have a good vision so you can see better. Okay po? You're helping your eyes to see better. What are the examples of dairies, teacher? We have there cheese, milk, and also the ice cream. We also have yogurt. I know some of you also brings yogurt every day. Okay? That helps your muscles, bones, nerves, teeth, skin, and vision healthy. Alright, kids? We're done with all the 5 groups. Imagine if you eat all those 5 groups, then you are helping yourself to be strong and healthy. If you eat fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy every day. Okay, but remember kids, you should eat enough only. You should not eat too much because eating too much is not good. Okay? Again, kids, you have to keep in your mind eating healthy foods will make you strong and healthy. Again, what are the 5 food groups that we have? We have the fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Do you understand, kids? I hope you learned something today. That will be our lesson for today, kids. And thank you for listening. I'll see you again next time.